People don't lose respect because they are weak. They lose respect because they are predictable. Predictable people feel safe, but safety does not create respect. Today I will explain why predictability quietly destroys authority in friendships, workplaces, and power. Most people believe respect comes from being consistent, reliable, easy to understand. Psychology says otherwise. Respect does not come from comfort. It comes from uncertainty. The moment people know exactly how you will react, they stop paying attention. And attention is the currency of respect. Predictable people are easy to read. Easy to read means easy to manipulate. When people know you will always forgive, always explain, always agree, they stop valuing your presence. Not because they hate you, but because you are replaceable. High-status individuals are never fully readable. Their reactions are controlled, not automatic. Predictability removes tension, and without tension, respect dies. At work, the predictable employee always says yes, always stays late, always accepts blame. They are trusted, but rarely respected. In friendships, the predictable person always replies instantly, always adjusts, always shows up. They become background noise. Consistency builds comfort. Comfort builds familiarity, and familiarity breeds disregard. Machiavelli understood this centuries ago. In The Prince, he warned rulers never to be predictable in mercy, punishment, or reward, because once people understand your pattern, they stop fearing consequences. Predictability makes power transparent, and transparent power is weak power. A ruler who is always kind invites exploitation. A ruler who is always harsh invites rebellion. But a ruler who is controlled and unreadable maintains authority. Unpredictability does not mean chaos. It does not mean mood swings. It does not mean manipulation. True unpredictability is selective. You choose when to speak, when to stay silent, when to reward, and when to withdraw. Power comes from restraint, not randomness. People respect what they cannot fully read. If you want respect, follow this. Stop explaining every decision. Explanations invite judgment. Change response patterns occasionally, not reactions, patterns. Do not reward the same behavior every time. Predictable rewards destroy leverage. Predictability makes life easier, but ease never builds respect. Respect is created through control, through restraint, through uncertainty. And the moment people can no longer predict you, they start watching you again. If this made you uncomfortable, subscribe.